unscrew this plastic screw, undo the other one, just like that. Now you can remove this cover. Here is a hook. Make sure to undo this. Now here behind this isolation, it's like a hook which needs to be undone. This needs to be unpinned. Now the pollen filter just slides out. You can see it's so dirty, oh my god. The filter is out. Now vacuum clean everything in here and also the inside of the box. Now here is the old filter. Make sure that the new one is the same size. Out with the old, in with the new. Reinstall in reverse order. Make sure that this cutout faces towards the outside of the car, so towards the passenger doors. In with the filter. Push it all the way in, like that. Let's return its cover. Just hook it in there, just like that. Push it up until it clicks, until this hooks grabs here behind so that it cannot fall out. Now give it a pull and make sure that it's firm. Return isolation as it was before. Now we return this cover. Make sure that these forks face toward the inside of the car, towards the driver. Hook it in here. Then push it in place until the holes fit with the threads. Return the screws and tighten it. And the other one. Simple job. You don't need to pay for this thing, man. You really don't. That's it. That's how you replace pollen filter on Audi A6. Thanks for watching and see you next time.